and look.
I'm coaching to win, and anyone who's been associated with me in the coach's box and in my meetings.
And within 2 weeks, I put blankets around there so they can shut up.
Adelaide really close.
He loves that.
We kick it accurately, and then we something north. So we've shown that we're in positions where we're trying to win games of footy. It's just a matter of this experience this group.
Might have to buy it off you.
Oh no, I'll give you a toy to go. One of the toys that have been in the pen there with him.
My position for wins and losses and where the club ends up with draft picks, that will take care of itself. But we're coaching the strong ones we can before we use that.
Has this whet your appetite to be a league coach?
Definitely, yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, put him in the food.
Isn't it strange? He knows he's the centre of attention. He's the man of the moment.
Yeah.
And all the others, and all the others.
A real attachment to this group, and I'd like to think they'll be reacting positively to what myself and the coaches have put in place for this second half of the year. And yeah, as far as where the appetite definitely goes.
Do you think and feel you're capable of winning this job?
I don't.
Something came on the TV and it was up a bit loud, and all Emma's puppies sat up and started